So what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna do a little video on installing OEM Honda window visor for the Eg6. Yo, this is the Eg6? Yeah. So get ready. They don't got a video, I'm making one. So first you're gonna wanna roll your window down so you kinda, get that thing out of the way. You don't have to do it with the door open. But what you're gonna wanna do is, not this first line, but this second line right here. It pops out. So you're gonna wanna start peeling this whole thing out all the way down to here. And you wanna peel this out all the way about down to there. Be careful you don't break that. So you wanna pull this down, get the screwdriver in there, pop it out, and just pull it off. The clips that come with the OEM visor, just gonna go sit in right between this groove right here, bottom and top. I already did it on the right side. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. It's gonna sit in there like this. We got this visor used. Cost too much brand new, but it should lock in like that. Shouldn't be able to come out. And don't forget, the 5th clip for the back goes back here. There's a little groove back there, and it sits. Under that red thing like that. Now when you go to put it in, before you put it in, you want to line these up where they would be sitting on the visor. So you're gonna pull this all the way down that way. You're gonna pull this down a little bit right here. I'll show you.
So you have the tip in there, in the groove, and you line them all up. You space them. You space them out where they should be on the visor. And if they're off, don't worry about it. You can always adjust, open it up, back up, and adjust. And the way you put the rubber back, you want to put the bottom piece in, and then push the top in. So you hook the bottom piece in, you take the flathead, get the zoom up, get a close up on this. Oh yeah, just push the rubber back in, and sits. It's gonna sit like that. You go all the way to the bottom.
So after installing the clips and putting back the weather strip, it should look something like this. Make sure you guys, if you guys having trouble, make sure you guys put the bottom of the vinyl or the weather strip in first, and then push the top in. So I didn't get to show you the next step, but this is it done. We was missing a clip over here, so we used double side tape, just jerry rigged it up, whatever. And so over here we got the finished product. I'm gonna record it one more time, show you. Clips in, tape's not really showing, not that bad. This is a used visor, so we gotta use still OEM though. All right. So I didn't show you what I did before I put the visor on, but where those clips were sitting, if you had brand new ones, you'd be able to just pop those clips in